offers professional grade products, easy reordering online, and 24/7 support, helping procurement managers keep buildings running so people can keep working. Call, click, or stop by. Granger, for the ones who get it done. Granger offers professional grade products, easy reordering online, and 24/7 support, helping procurement managers keep buildings running so people can keep working. Call, click, or stop by. Granger, for the ones who get it done. Granger offers professional grade products, easy reordering online, and 24/7 support, helping procurement.
will save us time and money with nutritious meals delivered straight to our door. It takes only 2 minutes to heat up, no preservatives and no seed oils.
They actually taste like restaurant quality food. That means I actually look forward to every meal.
These are all natural, preservative-free meals with no artificial additives.
So let Forkful take cooking and groceries off your plate.
Join the thousands that trust Forkful today.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's see what we have today. Let's lower the background music here. What are we looking at? We got a 1 minute week, 5 minute week, 15-minute week, a B setup, possible to take this pop. Let's just try it on sim and see just what happens. Alright, it's just...
Order filled.
Target, quick 200, I'd say. Could always close out if we don't like the way it's going and the direction we're going in. People probably say your risk to reward is off. This should be down by like 100 or something, or a 1-to-1. Depends how you trade. I'll put it above the high always. And theoretically, you can put this down here if you wanted to sit in it longer. I choose not to. Quick couple of bucks is what we're looking for, yeah. Still have a B set up. Still a little weak up here.
Target filled.
And there we go. She works. She works.
Target filled.
There we go. She works. My ventriloquist. If someone's new, indicators, layout that I use, you might You're saying, wow, that looks like a very colorful chart. I have a couple things going on. Here is telling you alignment of time frames. You got a weak bear signal. This could go to strong, you know, if there's a strong downtrend, right? But right now it's like a weak bear trend, but that's good because it aligns with the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute. So you have a good downtrend possibility right now. We took a trade doing that. On top of that, because these will go green when it's a bull trend, of course, or it'll go gray when it's neutral, like you see the 30 and 60 minute. On top of that, over here we have the radar. The radar is telling us that it is a bear environment with a B setup. Can go to A, but it is at a B setup right now. When these red candles start going pink, as you can see as it did here, we're going red, we're going red. Great bear channel, right? When it starts going pink, now we're getting a lot of bear action. It can go sideways a little bit, but typically when it goes pink, it's really pushing to go down. And even if you took, say, the first pink candle and you held on just 4 minutes later and went out at the low here, or held through and went out the low here, you're talking what are you talking about, 40 somewhat points. And then if you start seeing it come up into a gray, neutral, you know, time to leave. Green, lime green, strong buying. Regular green, back to neutral, then into a regular red candle. And as you can see here, we're developing some pink candles. And look at that shove down. Will it continue? We don't know. But look, the 1 minute went to a strong bear. Okay? I would imagine this is going to be a pink purpley candle when it closes, and there it is. So theoretically, let's just use the indicator as it was meant to be, and let's do a sell, because you got a 5 minute strong and a 1 minute strong. We can wait for a pop, but we can just hit it right now. Let's just go.
Order filled.
Just to show how the indicator works. Let's target these lows here, and we'll go up to this swing point here. Can actually go down to these lows if it stays in this pink channel. And we'll bring the stop down as this comes down. Okay. In the money a little bit right now. And when this candle closes, should be pink like these here and stay in this red block. Nice if we get the 15 minute on a strong bear channel as well. Just hope there's no news candle. Still 1 minute, 5 minute. Strong. Good rejection there. Could probably bring this down a little bit if we wanted to. But let's wait. Breaking this support area. Come on, let's do a little flushy flush. Still 1 minute, 5 minute. We upgraded to a B plus. Here we go. Support just moved. One mini. So we're up to about 75 to 100, 110, 140. I mean, if you like your profit, you could always pull up, right? I say let's go down to this low. Could probably go lower, but let's be careful. Make sure no news candle kills us. Let's go lower. Let's go to the bottom of that candle over here. If she rejects my entry point, and we'll move it into a break even, and we can let it see how far we could let it run. There we go. Oh, good rejection there. No bottom wick. Bubble came up, 150 contracts. 150 contracts to the sell side. If we get below that, she should start tanking. But bulls will probably try to push up above it. To the New York Open. Here we go. There we go.
Target filled.
There you go. She works. She works. It was in our favor too with this trade indicator showing 150 sell contracts, and like I mentioned, bulls will probably try to go above it. This will downgrade to a regular B, then it'll downgrade to a C if bulls take control, which they're doing. Still in a strong 1 minute and 5 minute at the moment because this candle has not closed yet. Let's see how it pans out. Is this relief or a pop? Time will tell, and we only have 8 minutes to New York Open. Good rejection for now. See, we went neutral. This red block went gray with this gray candle. So it's now or never. Either we continue down, or we're going to go into an uptrend. See, the 1 minute went neutral. 5 minutes still says strong bear. So it's decision time. Look what happened here. Pink to neutral to green. And we had a little uptrend here. Can it do the same thing? Of course it can. Or will it do the opposite and go into a downtrend? This is when you sit on your hands. Downgrade again, C+. Six minute to New York Open. Lordy, Lordy. Now it downgraded to a C. And we're in a green block, right? So you could take your long. You have 5 minutes to New York Open. Do we dare try to take a long? Maybe a little pullback. Let's wait for this to close. 5 minutes still strong, 15 minutes still weak. Bears just came in at the middle of that candle with 105 contracts. And they're trying to push it down.
Chevy trucks are as capable and hardworking as the Chevy people who drive them. They don't need permission to get going, and they all have that little extra something. Maybe you got it too. Chevrolet. Together, let's drive. Visit Chevy.com.
So here's your Bears, 103 contracts. 150 contracts. The Bears really want this on the downside. We start rolling to the upside. These Bears are stuck. They're stuck. Use their pain to go up. I mean, you could scalp. You can scalp up a little bit, maybe to right here area, until it proves itself, because it will come back. Test this guy here, maybe even test that. But then again, you know, you have 4 minutes to New York Open, so fireworks. Your scalp would have been good if you took that long. Alright, we have a 1 minute. 1 minute says bull is strong. It's lime green, it's not regular green, so it's a strong 1 minute. Bull, C grade as far as taking the long, which isn't that great. You know, you want C plus at minimum, or B, B plus, even A, right? But if you're a scalper, you could probably come in for 10 points, 10 points. But I wouldn't do anything right now. We got 2 minutes to the New York Open. But just showing you how the indicators, the radar, all works, the layout. So we're in a green block right here. It says good bull trend, not the best, but good with a C. And you only have 1 minute. Do you wait for 5? Yeah. You wait for 15? Even better. Totally depends on the person who's trading and if they want to scalp quick ones or they want to sit in it longer. And I'd sit on hands with only 2 minutes. We are above these bears though. So, New York Open, are we going to try to get these bears out of trouble and bring it down and below? Or are we going to keep them in pain and go up? That is the question. If we look left, there's imbalances above to hit. Less than 1 minute to go. And there it is. Tried to get the bears out of trouble. They said nah. Now we're going to hang out in the middle, see which way. Trying to bail those bears out. This box is IB, forming IB. Initial balance. Right there, initial balance forming. Current range is 88 points. We just went neutral. 1 minute went neutral. Gonna help the bears? Gonna help them bears? Come on. Right. We're helping them. Can you hold it? Can you hold it? Nope. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. 1 minute, still neutral. 5 minute and 15 minute, we're looking bearish. It's a good rejection. Here we go. Got anything in the tank there, bulls? Anything in the tank? Went purple. We went purple. B plus to the downside. Right here, B plus to the downside. We're forming our red block. 1 minute is strong bear, 5 minute and 15 minute is another, it's bear. It's a little bit weaker of a bear, but it's bear. Something to be noted, just because you see the purple, especially in the New York session, doesn't mean automatically get into the downside. As you can see, they will try. And they are doing a good job, them bulls, so far. Let's see. Went neutral. Looks like the bulls have another idea. Let's get above the open. Trying to get above value. Value is this white line. Value area high, value area low, and point of control is like on top of each other. We're going to reject old point of control. Not a super fan of getting involved in the first 15 minutes. Unless it's a real quick scalp. $142, $147 range now, IB. Bears in trouble. One, like we said, 103, 150 bear contracts. Gonna come test them. Strong bull. 1 minute. And to be noted, lime green is always the best green. The darker greens like this and this here, it's kind of it's a good bull color. The lime green is the better. Same thing with the red is the weak, but the purple is the stronger bear color. Setup went to C+ on the bull side. Bull strength by C+. This little pullback, another push. Maybe we'll get to a B setup. More bears came in at the bottom here. Another 109 contracts. Will they get their way? Help their friends? We're going to use his pain to go up as well. New York Open. Tried to help your friend here. Well, you try to help your friend there. C+ to the upside. Still 1 minute strong. Test and value low. Will you defend? And just so you know, this is value area low, the white line and the number. This is point of control and the number. Value area high and the number. These are previous ones over here. Previous, previous. So those could be targets as well. Neutral. Bears want to get involved
Ranger
here.
offers over 1 million high-quality products, from motors and belts to switches and sensors, helping maintenance engineers
A lot
keep
of
production
traffic
lines
here,
moving.
right? A
Call
lot of
or
traffic.
stop by. Ranger,
And they
for
said
the
no.
ones who get it
But
done.
there's also a lot of traffic here, right? Short-lived bear, right here. Short-lived bull. Now we're neutral. Bears want to get below this. They want to get below the 866. Bears get below, maybe a retest and then a sell. Unless bulls have a different story to tell. 1 minute neutral, 5 minute neutral, 15-minute bear. Look at all this neutral, right? Could mean a sideways day, especially since we have speakers coming today. This is what we look like. Range, range, range. Overnight had the fun. Wouldn't let these bears out for the moment. Point of control. Bears in control. Contracts here, contracts here. Not so much right here yet. 1 minute bear, 5 minute bear, 15-minute bear. Is it sell the pop time? Or is it just going to be range, range, range? I think range. Range is going to be, it's going to be the most of the day until we hear the speaker. I believe it's at 1 o'clock. Can do some scalping. Quick scalp. Let's see what we can do here. It does say 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute. Maybe wait for the pop. There's point of control. Unless they let go of point of control. See how this closes.
Order filled.
Still, bear. They're absorbing here. Let's get out.
Order filled.
Take it while we get it. Take a little bit while you get it. Testing the value area low a little bit, but they couldn't get to it. At least not yet. Radar is saying B to the downside, B to the downside. 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute. Just not a fan of so early in the session because it rips. She is. A little squeezy McSqueezy. Can they rip or no? Went to neutral. She's gonna go green now. If she continues. Unless this is a big rejection, which it looks like. Let's see. Man, those bears want it. I don't know if they're gonna get it though. Still neutral. Did not get their way. Still fighting for that point of control. See, they're still protecting this guy. And now they're trying to get this guy. Trying to give this guy maybe an out. Testing him. He's in the money. He's in the money right now. There it is. Will we go lower? Take out London low. Trying. Yep. London low hit. Will they find support? Look at that. Look what happened. Around 4:30 this morning. Will they do it again? Struggling. Bulls be struggling. Unless you have a ripsaw, Mr. Bull. Bulls need a little Jesus in their life. Come on. Hello, pupper. Little pupper. Come. Come. Come up. Oh, no, 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 no. Look right there. Look right there. Look right there. Look. Want some food? Look. All right. Get down. Second time London low. The Bulls are gonna do it. They got to do it now. Rejected value area low again, twice. Will they try a third time? They will try. And they said no. Didn't go quite as deep. Hey, Richard.
On the under $3 menu at McDonald's, a McChicken is $2. Because when you're craving a McChicken, you deserve a McChicken. And now, that McChicken is just $2. Couldn't turn on the price of this case, the very price you can get delivered.
Number one fan Richard is in the chat. Good rejection of value area low. Nice. Up 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, week. These candles may be turning purple very soon if it continues the downtrend. When you have stuck bear here, stuck bear here, stuck bear here, and significantly lower than them now. I'm sorry, not stuck, in the money, my bad. If they were buyers, they'd be stuck, right? On the opposite way, opposite. I was just excited that it was going in their direction, the bears. All right, for everyone in chat, do LIT, Long Island Trader, LIT, and we will give away an Apex account. Maybe? Interesting. Value area low for the session, value area low from yesterday. We are beneath that. Do the bulls step up? They had the chance here. They did not. They had the chance here. They did not. Did they need to go a little bit deeper just to trap? We will see. At the moment, we're still in a 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute bear trend. It's a B setup for bear. Of course, there could be relief and then continuation. Do the bears want the Asia low? Definitely possible. What's up, Doodle? My doggy. It's Rudy is his name. His nickname is Doodle. Don't know why. Doodle. Called him Doodle Bob. Come get Asia low. Come on, come get it. We're already 300 points down. It's another 60 points. Come on, 60 points down. Asia low, let's go. 5 minute strong bear channel. I like that. I like that. Question though is shorting the lows, very risky, but we just got our first pink candle. Problem is that New York session, shorting the lows is not fun. I mean, maybe for a scalp. Yeah, there's a little stall going. 1 minute and 5 minute. Oy, strong, strong. The force is strong with this one. I feel like I want a short. Is that just FOMO? Probably. Do we wait for a little pop? Or do we get in for the Asia low? Decisions. B plus, this could go to an A. Probably wait for a pop. bulls don't have any steam here. Nothing? Nothing, bulls? They're gonna pop to 37. There's the 37 hit. Testing this area. It's just too slow. Everything says short, but how slow it is, I think the ripsaw will come. Old value area low. Right there. It could either come up to old value area low or value area low of the session. Oh, bears just stepped in. And now it's an A setup. 1 minute, 5 minute. Alright, I'm gonna try this once I see a confirmation. Value area low just moved. How many contracts was that? Another 109. We're going to reject value area low. Quick rejection. Small though. They're going to try to keep this guy in the money. Bulls are going to want to displace him though. I think the play is let the bulls take a little bit of control, and once we go below him is when we get in. 1 minute strong, 5 minutes strong, A plus setup. Well, A setup, not A plus. Is that it? You're just gonna reject there? Nope. They're gonna try. Ooh. Nice wick, nice rejection. See how we finish. Hands off for a second. tickling. Tickle, tickle. We're gonna break. 7:54. Break 7:54 for me. And they say no. They want to keep this guy stuck for now. Still 1 minute strong, 5 minutes strong. A setup to the bear side. Doesn't mean bulls can't get relief, right? They have to try. Value area low and value area low from previous is the struggle. Now or never, bears, if you're going to keep this on the downside.
On the under $3 menu at McDonald's, a sausage burrito is $2. So dip, drizzle, or douse.
Any gas in the tank there, bears? Let's go.
No matter how you sauce your sausage burrito, it's still just $2. Limited time only. Prices and participation will vary. Prices may be higher. Delivery.
Ranger offers over 1 million high-quality products, from motors and belts to switches and sensors, helping maintenance engineers keep production lines moving. Call, click, or stop by. Ranger, for the ones who get it done.
Orange line. I'm going to reject that. Looks so far like they are. Alright, this is where the bears have to step up, because they lost their A rating to a B+, but they did reject this. So if they're going to keep this lower, they're going to have to do it now and not get above. Let's see what you got, bears. There you go. There you go. Alright, I like that. Let's get below this 754-ish. Keep him in the money. I like
Order filled.
I like it. I like it. Come on. A little more. No, I don't like that. Certainly don't like that. Alright, I don't like that at all. Alright, let's get out of this if we can.
Target filled.
Yeah, I didn't like it. Probably go without me now, but I didn't lose any money. Made a little bit. below this guy though. May need to retest one more time. Software and chips, they're doing opposite stuff right now. Chips, SOXX is a good indication of what NQ will do. See? There's a comparison. SOXX. Little up. Now is she tanking? As soon as SOXX tanked, this tanked. Back to a B+. 1 minute weak, 5 minute strong bear. Weak bear, strong bear. Putting in a little bit of a double bottom here, unless we're just gonna let loose. Value area low hit, back to pink. A+ setup, or A setup, 1 minute strong, 5 minutes strong, Give us a pop to get involved. Come on. She says new. Don't like shorting the bottoms again. Hi. Don't like it. Don't like shorting the bottom. It just, ugh. Come on, come retest up here. There's our pop. How far are you gonna pop? Pop, 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 pop. Pop, pop, pop. That was it. That was our pop. Should we go more? Nope, should go more. Maybe right here. That was the opportunity. For a scalp at least. One minute, 5 minutes, strong, strong, A grade. Why does it always have to be at the bottom? I don't see no rips or
Emergency Bank brings you Call while money moves. You hear that? YOLO! That's an internet troll telling you to put all your money into a single investment. He wants you to liquidate your emergency fund and buy a digital racehorse named Silicon Steve. Stay vigilant. He's very persistent. Got him, it's wild money.
See what I mean by shorting the bottoms? But it got taken out a few different times. Just didn't know how far it was going to go up. Sellers are getting exhausted down here. Step up, Bears, if you're gonna do it. A lot of liquidity being built.
Start to hold here above 70s and 80s. You can get a very quick stability. Hopefully for you guys who are selling, you see a new low come.
Order filled. Order filled.
a matter of time before it came. A+, A setup, pink candles, 1 minute, 5 minute. It's just getting the entry was the hardest part. I did not stay in it long. I did not make a lot of money. Just about 150 bucks, 200 bucks, I think it was on, not even, on one mini contract. I just, shorting the bottoms is very risky. But we did grab a few bucks. If you can make yourself $315 a day, why not? Now, if you're trading micros, if I was trading micros, I probably would have took something around here. Because going into a drawdown here is nothing. And then once it confirmed, where I took my one mini, add in a second micro contract, add in a third micro contract. But doing minis is a little tough to justify shorting the bottom. Kind of just want to short it right now. Let's short it on Sim just for craps and giggles.
Order filled.
Short the bottom on the Sim. Short the bottom, short the bottom.
Filled.
That's why you don't short the bottom. But I did it on Sim just for entertainment purposes. But as we can see, if you're in scalp mentality, red to pink, had a little bit of relief, red to pink. We should have took that short right there. Boom. That would have been awesome. It's always in hindsight though, right? But we did know shorts were in control after all these little bubbles were in the money. And that's where they were in the money, right here. That's where they were in the money. So while they were in the money, then it went pink. That was your best entry. It was your best entry. Even if you took the bottom of this candle and you let it come up a little bit, to say this wick here, right? You still would have been in the money. Still 1 minute strong, 5 minutes strong. They set up. But there will be relief. There's always some relief. Hope this helps someone. Give a thumbs up in the chat if it helped you. Oh, there's no one there. I'm talking to myself. software, chips, NQ, we're all in alignment on the upside. And that's the relief. Relief, relief, relief. But overall, still an A grade, strong strength for the cell bear, 1 minute, 5 minute. So just because this all says this doesn't mean just, hey, click the button and go short. It means wait until you see the relief start to reject. Right now they're looking at value area low. I just took out value area low. And moved it down to here. Reject this block. It was a lot of work, this block, to get down. Are they going to use this as resistance and say nope, we're still going down, especially since we have the A grade 1 minute, 5 minute. Love to see the 15 minute go strong as well. Get above that block. Fireworks might start happening. Scalp short. Bad idea. Not interested right now, though. I don't even want to play on sim. Said no. No. Says I want to test that block up there, maybe. Said nope, we have other ideas. Huh? Oh, what a really good scalp. Hole number 600. Everybody hit like, subscribe, thumbs up. Come on, all 0 of you. I'm going to give away 50 Apex accounts in the next 10 seconds. Whoever comes in chat and gives me a hello. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. No one decided to get those Apex accounts. Womp. Code lit. Long Island Trader. Let's go. These bulls are not stepping up. And our indicators, everything shows that.
We let pork bowls save us time and money with nutritious meals delivered straight to our door. It takes only...
Everything shows that. Look at this cell. Cell. Since 947. Imagine you took that short right there, once it broke. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Still 1 minute, 5 minutes strong bear. A setup. Look at that. Bear. Value area low. New York low. Can you make it lower, or are the bulls gonna step up? IB has been set now for the last almost 15 minutes. That is your IB. Let's see, orb traders, or IB traders. What they say, the first candle to come out of the orb will give you direction. So that's a thing. Still says we have some lower prices. And looking left. Jeez. We blew past everything yesterday. Eek. 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 If there is a relief, it's gotta come soon. Unless it's risk off until the news comes and the speaker comes out. Risk off. Come back inside. IB.
For the acute treatment of migraine with or without aura in adults, Nurtec ODT can provide relief in 2 hours, which can last up to 2 days. Don't take if allergic to Nurtec ODT. Allergic reactions can occur even days after use. Get help right away for trouble breathing, rash, swelling of face, mouth, tongue, or throat. High blood pressure and Raynaud's syndrome can occur. Get help for high blood pressure, numbness, coolness, pain, or color changes in fingers and toes. Common side effect is nausea. Ask your doctor about Nurtec ODT.
Order filled. Stop filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
feeling is brought to you by Aleve for back pain relief. What feeling is that, you ask? Well, it's the feeling you feel when you have relief from back pain. That move how you want to, not how you have to feeling. That keep going through your day without slowing down feeling. The kind that brings you back to yourself all day long without interruption. Oh yeah. Because Aleve offers long-lasting pain relief. Feel up to 12 hours of back pain relief with one dose. Feel Aleve. Use as directed for minor aches and pains.
Grainger makes it easy to find and order the products your team depends on around the clock. Because when boxes are packed, pallets are stacked, and trucks are waiting at the dock, the last thing you want is to run short on the supplies that keep your warehouse moving. Grainger is there to help make sure nothing runs out when shipments are rolling out. Call 1-800-GRAINGER, click Grainger.com, or just stop by. Grainger, for the ones who get it done.
Grainger offers professional-grade products, easy reordering online, and 24/7 support, helping procurement managers keep buildings running so people can keep working. Call, click, or stop by. Grainger, for the ones who get it done.
We let Forkful save us time and money with nutritious meals delivered straight to our door. It takes only 2 minutes to heat up, no preservatives, and no seed oils.
They actually taste like restaurant quality food. That means I actually look forward to every meal.
These are all natural, preservative-free meals with no artificial additives.
So let Forkful take cooking and groceries off your plate.
Join the thousands that trust Forkful today.
knows that as an HVAC technician, the heat is on you every day. Your first call? An office building with a noisy AC unit. Time to put your experience to work. On site, your meters don't lie. The blower motor's failing. But Grainger's easy-to-search website quickly helps you find what you need to keep the office and their HVAC running smoothly. Call 1-800-GRAINGER, click Grainger.com, or just stop by. Grainger, for the ones who get it done.
Order filled. Order filled.
Honey, did you invite the minions over?
Well, you know how we talked about getting Wi-Fi from Xfinity?
Yeah.
I ordered it this morning, was online in minutes, then they showed up.
So they just came over to use the Wi-Fi? For what?
Better not to know.
Get online in minutes with same-day Wi-Fi from Xfinity. Plus, lock in your price for 5 years and see Minions and Monsters only in theaters. Xfinity. Imagine that. Restrictions apply. Not available in all areas. Learn more at xfinity.com/same-day Wi-Fi.
Order filled. Order filled.